Welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. I'm Goli, and today we are diving into the world of irresistible pumpkin cupcakes. These little treats are not only incredibly easy to make, no mixer needed, but they're also packed with warm, cozy flavors that are perfect for fall. So, let's jump right in, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious goodness. Let's start with cracking 3 eggs. Add 70 grams of white sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Whisking everything together until everything is well combined. Next, add 120 grams of vegetable oil and mix it in. Then, incorporate 200 grams of pumpkin puree and blend everything until smooth. Let's mix our dry ingredients. Combine 5 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of baking soda, 7 grams of cinnamon, a pinch of ginger powder if you like, and 2 grams of salt with 240 grams of flour. Make sure to sift everything together to avoid lumps. If you enjoyed this recipe so far, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up. Gently fold the dry mixture into the wet ingredients until just combined. No overmixing. Now, transfer the batter into piping bag. And fill cupcakes liners about 3/4 full. For a nice finishing touch, sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, perfectly fluffy pumpkin cupcakes that are simply irresistible. These treats are just ideal for cozy moments with friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my other videos for more baking inspiration. I can't wait to share more delicious recipes with you. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy every single bite!